Hey guys, what's going on? What is going on? Street Trading here, popping up our weekly trade watch list video for everybody. Coming into a short week, 4-day week, obviously coming off the 3-day holiday weekend with Memorial Day. Closing up the markets for Monday's session, so we're kicking off Tuesday to Friday. Actually the first day of June. June's trading, so we're in it. Summer's here. So as you can see, obviously on a technical standpoint, boys pushing prices, getting close to that all-time high. This is the cat and mouse game. We're pushing up to another level, followed by a deep sell like we saw in the kind of the last week of, first week of May. So we're going to see that again or not. Remains to be seen. Who knows? But remember, summer's here. People are getting out. People are definitely getting out, spending. So you got to keep all these things into consideration. Obviously, the run-up was the anticipation of the opening of the most countries, as far as summer, because summer's a big, obviously, time for people to start spending, right? So, plus, coming off a lockdown, people are gearing up. So the run-up was obviously to anticipate that, whether now we're going to see the other side of that or not, because obviously the market's always 6 to 8 months ahead. Main Street. That being said, let's see. It was obviously a great week in the markets last week for us. Obviously, boys pushed it up. We put up a pretty lengthy weekly recap video. If you haven't checked that out, go check that out first. So we're not gonna go into and reiterate what we've already covered. So let's just get into what we were looking at for this week. Obviously, we got 12 going in for this week's session. And again, like we always talk about, we set our levels, we set our plans. Or if this then that scenarios, and whether it's going to any of this 12 on our list is ready to run on Tuesday session or Friday session or not at all remains to be seen. But we are anticipating and we have a plan of attack if this then that. So that's how we attack our weekly, and obviously our daily trade ideas is a little different game plan. But this is our weekly that we obviously scan and get ready for the week's session ahead. There's some from last week that we're have on this week as well. Particular levels that are still in play and keeping our attention. So let's just get down to it. Let's get down to the levels we're looking at, their game plan for the week session. And as always, guys, we're just waiting for price to come to us. We don't chase at all. We wait for price to come to our plan. And that is it, guys. All right? Stay in control. Remain in control of what you can control. Right? Let go of what you cannot. You can control your plan. You can control the levels you're looking at. These setups you trade, you can control all of these things. But what you cannot control, let go. Don't even pay attention to it. All right? Stick with your plan. All right, guys, let's get into what we're looking at for this week's weekly watch list.